Hello, everyone. This video will introduce customer service chat management. This feature will be very helpful if you need to contact the buyer quickly when processing an order. First, Authorize Duoke account. Click Setting, enter Authorization Center, select Other Authorization, choose Customer Service Software, Authorize Duoke. After that, in the lower right corner of the BigSeller system, click here to jump to the Customer Service System, Duoke. On Return Manage, Order Processing, New Orders/Cancel Order Lists, click the icon to jump to the Customer Service System, Duoke. If you have any questions, please click here to contact us. Don't forget, we offer free training and demo sessions exclusively for our BigSeller users. Drop your training request, share your info, and let us know what you want to learn. Our customer service will reach out to you promptly. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more upgrades and features in BigSeller. See you in the next one.